Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by selecting the cells you want to convert. Make sure they contain numeric values stored as text or general. Once selected, check the status bar to confirm count and any errors. You should also copy the range to a new sheet or create a backup, because formatting changes can be hard to undo. Now, with cells highlighted, move to the Home tab and look for number group controls. This is where you'll control decimal display and numeric type. Next, choose the number format from Home Number dropdown. This sets base behavior. Once done, click Increase Decimal or Decrease Decimal to show the exact count you need, 2 decimals for cents, 3 for precision. If numbers are text, use the value formula in a helper column or run data text to columns to coerce values. Make sure to replace formulas with values afterwards, so your sheet stores real numbers, not formulas or text placeholders. Finally, replace any helper formulas with permanent values. Copy the helper column, then paste special values over the originals. Next, open Format Cells Number Custom if you need exact patterns like 0, 0, 0, or hash, hash, hash 0, 0, 0 for thousand separators. If something goes wrong, check your regional settings. Excel may expect a comma versus a period as the decimal separator, and remove stray non-breaking spaces or apostrophes that make numbers text. If needed, undo, fix the source, and repeat the conversion carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.